Welcome! In this quick guide, I'll show exactly how to change your bio on the Instagram app using your PC. If Instagram's new update has you a bit confused, don't worry. This process is simple once you know where to look. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access your profile and settings without any issues. Once you're inside the app, look over to the left-hand side menu. You'll see a set of options there. Go ahead and click on the three horizontal lines. This will open up more settings and controls that aren't immediately visible on the main screen. After clicking the three lines, find and select Settings. This is where you can manage everything related to your account. Inside the Settings menu, look for the option called Edit Profile and click on it. Now you'll be taken to your profile editing page. Here you can update your personal information like your name, username, and more. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Bio. Under the Bio field, you can type in anything you want to update, whether it's a new quote, contact info, or a short description about yourself or your brand. Take your time and make sure it reflects exactly what you want your audience to see. Once you're done editing your bio, look for the Submit button. Click on it to save your changes. That's it. Your new bio will be updated instantly and visible on your profile. And that's how you change your Instagram bio on PC using the latest update. Simple, quick, and done in just a few clicks. If you found this helpful, you might want to check out more tips on managing your Instagram profile more effectively.